Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today in this video I will show you how to receive payment from Amazon to Wise. So guys, first all you need to set up your Wise account and go to website and sign up, and you need to your local bank account details, and after that your account set up and verified. Go to the balance section and your Wise account and open balance and choose the currency you want to receive and click the get detail. After get the get details, such the account number, routing and number, log on to Amazon Seller Center and add your Wise bank account detail, and you can setting your Seller Center dashboard from menu down and select account. Update your deposit method and click deposit, and you can add a new deposit method and enter Wise bank detail, and you can finally save change. I hope guys this video helpful for you, and see you on another video soon. And you can receive payment from Amazon easily by deposit